And now you can already see it starts to keep left. So to continue that, because here, as you can see, if I want it to be on one or another side, so it means that I can do some more decreases here and here, simple single crochet stitches. So let's do some. So again, first and back loop together, and then 2 single crochet stitches, for instance. Like I said, creative process, so I'll do one more. And now I'll continue with single crochet stitches. And I'll come back. And I also stuffed it a little, but I won't stuff anymore. So, and I'm going to make some single crochet, some rounds with single crochet, and coming back.